Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. If you find this video interesting at the end of the day, do well to subscribe, like this video, and also follow me on YouTube, Facebook, because I'll be dropping more updates on how to use AI to do so many things. This video is specially made for people that are still going to studio to snap picture for their birthdays and other events. You don't have to do that anymore. With your phone, you can do your picture. You can produce your picture in the comfort of your home. All you need to do is to follow this video from the beginning to the end, and you are good to go. I think before I delve into this thing, I just want to tell you that most of the picture you see on social media are not actually real, as in they are not actually. You see some people flaunting expensive, wearing expensive clothes, attires, and you'll be thinking that these people are doing well. I'm telling you, it's not what you think. All you need to do is to get that way. I'm going to teach you every step that you need to do. Okay, for example, let me show you some picture. You can see this is AI generated picture. Can you believe this? All I need is the picture of that person. Then I will analyze the attire. So just watch from beginning to the end and you are good to go. So let's delve straight into the tutorial. To do this, have ChatGPT on your phone and make sure that the clothes that you want to wear, the attire, you don't have to have it. Just go to social media. If you see any expensive clothes that you like very well, you can see it on anybody that anybody is wearing. Just download now. I've downloaded one, so I want to show you the practical way of doing this thing. I want to use my picture to do it. So what you will do is that you go to your ChatGPT. And the picture that you downloaded that you want to use, the picture of the cloth, you upload it. You come to where plus sign is here. You upload it from your device. As you can see, this is the one that I just downloaded. You place. Now, after downloading it, you come to where you see Ask ChatGPT under the picture here. Then you type your prompt. This is where the work is. So what are you going to type now? In case you did not get what I'm typing here, you can go to the comment section. You will see all the prompt there. So this is what you are going to type. So as you can see, write an image prompt from the reference image describing in details his full appearance, attire, pose, and background. Make it realistic. Do not add his face and skin tone. That is what you need to do on ChatGPT. We are going to use two applications. This is the one, number one. They are totally free. So what do you do next? Then you click this up arrow here. It's going to generate a prompt for you analyzing the attire. Okay, as you can see, this is the prompt. It has generated the prompt. All you need to do now is to copy the prompt. If you have done that, the next thing you need to do, you copy by clicking here. This place, you click here. Then all you need to do now is to go to your Google Chrome, depending on browser that you are using. We are going to Gemini AI. Once you've copied that prompt, you come to your Chrome browser. Then you typed Gemini AI. If you have done that, you click Gemini AI. Okay, Gemini AI. You click here. You see the first one here, Google Gemini. That's the one that we are using. So, if you have done that, the next thing you want to do here now is to now upload your own picture. Your own picture, your face, where your face is showing. You upload this particular picture of mine. Let me use this one. Okay, when you click it, you click done. Okay, as you can see, this is my picture here. My face is showing. Now, what do I need to do? I will need to add the prompt here again under the picture, and the prompt says, while maintaining while maintaining the exact facial features and skin tone of the reference image, create an image of, don't forget that we have copied a prompt, then you will now paste that prompt here. You will now paste it. You paste it. As you can see, you can even go through it. You can go through it again. So the next thing you want to do from here, if you have pasted it, you just press enter. When you press enter, it's going to generate your picture. Don't forget that I did not wear suit, but I got picture of somebody that wears suit that I like, and that is exactly what I want from this for this video. As you can see, my picture is ready. As you can see, this is me. This is me. So as you can see, my picture is ready. Now, who is going to tell me that I did not take this picture from studio? Everything here look realistic. If you did not follow this step that I just mentioned holistically, people can dictate that you are using AI. That is, people that are very vast. They can, but in this case, you can never dictate that I'm using AI, because there are words that I put in the prompt that will not make anybody to know that this is AI generated image. So as you can see, the picture is ready. So you can actually do this on your own too. If you see any attire that you like so much, expensive attire, you don't have money to buy it, you can do it. You don't have to buy the attire. That is why it is very important that for you to know that it is not everything you see on social media that is actually 100%. Some people, they are show for to show you that they are wearing expensive things. Meanwhile, this is exactly how they go about it. So if you want to do your image, your photo, your birthday image, you want to have a good picture, this is how to go about it. You know, so if you find this video interesting, if you have learned something, why not do your own and upload the picture, so that I will know that this information is beneficial to you. So that is what I want to bring to your notice. You don't have to go. So once you finish generating, the next thing you do is to come up here and download. The era of wasting money is gone. You don't have to do that anymore. So till I see you in my next, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, because I'll be dropping more AI videos. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good, and don't forget that Jesus is Lord.